Hey guys, how are you doing? After updating to the latest iOS 26.5.2, many users are reporting in the comments that their iPhone is overheating or heating up abnormally while using the phone normally or while charging. And this wasn't happening before, and only after updating to the latest iOS 26.5.2, they are noticing this issue. So you can try the following troubleshooting steps, the simple steps that I'm about to suggest. But before that, you need to make one important check. Navigate inside the settings page, scroll down a little bit, and then navigate inside the battery, scroll down, then navigate inside the battery health section. So if the battery health shows 80% or below that, even around 81%, then it is possible that the battery have reached its limit. The battery needs to be changed at Apple Service Center. Normally, after reaching the 80% or below the 80% level, you see a notice message that Apple suggests that you need to visit the Apple Service Center to change the battery. So the battery is unable to deliver the peak performance or the performance required for your normal usage. So in such cases, changing the battery is the only solution that will help to fix the problem. Whether you update the software to the latest version or you are staying in older version, that doesn't matter. But the battery health, once it reaches its maximum capacity level to 80%, then you should consider changing the battery at Apple Service Center, so that once the genuine battery is changed, the device will be able to deliver the peak performance once again. So you will mainly don't notice the overheating issue, and even the fast battery drain problems will also be fixed with the replacement of the battery. So if the battery health is 85% or above and everything is good, then after the update, if you're noticing the issue of overheating, my suggestion is do perform a simple restart once. Press and release the volume up button once, then down button once, then press and hold the side button to access the slide to power off feature. Let me do it once. So just press and hold the side button, then after pressing and releasing the volume rockers, simply slide it to power off and then give at least 2 minutes. Then once the screen turned into complete black, then you can reboot the phone by pressing and holding power button or side button for a couple of seconds. So this will help to fix any temporary bugs that is causing the battery to drain faster, or even the overheating issue that is randomly appearing on your iPhone after the latest update. I have checked with several users that the iOS 26.5.2 is so far stable and no such issues reported when the battery health is good, and you can try that step right away. Before looking into the next troubleshooting step, I just like to give a quick heads up about our newly launched medicine tracker app. If you're looking one for you or your family to monitor, track the medicines that they normally take, then Kevio will be the perfect answer for you. You can keep a track of all the medicines that you take, the injections and different type of medications. You will promptly receive the alerts, the notifications on your lock screen. You can also use the widget to track the important upcoming medicine schedules for your parents or for your kids, and you can also track the doctor appointments, refills, stock alerts, and any review checkups, everything you normally require in a medicine tracking app. It's there, and the free version itself sufficient for individual users. The affordable pro version is also available for entire family tracking. Do check it out. I leave a link to this app, Kevio Medicine Tracker. You can either search in the App Store or check the link in the description and in the first pinned comment. And the next important troubleshooting step to fix the overheating issue on your iPhone is navigate inside the settings app, general, and then scroll down a little bit, transfer or reset, then you need to tap on the reset all settings. So this will flush out any settings related bugs that are causing the overheating problem abnormally while using the phone normally, or while charging the phone. In most cases, keep this as a last step, as it will flush out all the settings that you have made, and you need to reconfigure the Wi-Fi passwords that you normally connect, and it won't delete any data. The data deletion happens when you press erase all content and settings. So make sure you navigate inside the reset all settings. That is all we are going to perform when the overheating is bothering us much after the latest iOS 26.5.2 version. So remember to check the battery health as the very first check that you need to do if you're noticing the overheating issue before trying these troubleshooting steps. Otherwise, if the battery health is 80% or below, these troubleshooting steps will not help to fix the problem. I hope you find this video useful. You may share it with your friends if they are also experiencing similar issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you and have a wonderful day.